plane spotting at Detroit Metro Airport. There we have a plane. And there we go. We have rotation. Oh man, what is that?
A319 maybe?
That looks like an A319.
Okay.
A319 Delta, starting its turn.
Yeah, that's A319, that's the sound of it.
Oh, look at that roar and the growl of the beautiful A319 Delta. Oh, wow. I'm very excited because this is my first plane spotting on camera, so I hope you guys really enjoy this. We have a 777 200 LR inside the Sky Bridge, have a 747. I'm gonna miss those things when they leave. Okay, I see some action down there. The 737 colors. And back there have a Virgin Atlantic. Little brother. Ooh, I see a private jet back there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. We got Kyle Rail flying over.
Okay, that's a Southwest New Colors taxi on the runway, and next one taxiing down the runway.
Sorry guys, we have a liftoff, a 737, looks like a 700, and old colors. Oh yeah, hear the roar, she's coming. Wow, yep, that's 700 with splits, with winglets. Oh, the beautiful red bottom. I love that red bottom.
Hey guys, for you people out there that know, that is the Canyon Blue livery.
Yep, Canyon Blue livery. Big brother there. That's the brother that me and him will do the other video with about Detroit. Oh, and there goes the ERJ crossing runway. Oh wait, is that a CRJ? Yeah, but I don't know. Down there we have some CRJ 200 Delta action. Taxiing to, I don't know, a Skybridge or something. I mean, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I really don't know what to do. I know what to do, plane spot of course, and give the names, but if I can do anything better on my next videos, can you give me some tips? Maybe. I'm not sure what FedExes those are. It looks like a 757 FedEx, and I mean I don't know though. I think that's a 767 FedEx. Not much action going on really at this point. But I mean, we probably see some good catches. Oh, I'm kind of angry. Because as we were coming in, we saw a beautiful A330 300 Luftanza. That was an amazing. I always watch Detroit videos, and I always wanted to catch that. And my wishes have been answered. I was very happy. I wanted to see Detroit new hangar, and I'm getting to see it, which is very nice. I saw a A320 Bear Fair take off, but I wasn't able to film because we were in the car. So, oh yeah, Southwest back there. There we have a A320. Where? Yeah, right there we have an A320. I can't really see from my angle. Sun shining up on my screen, so if I'm not looking at the flight, I'm sorry. But there was an A320 taxiing, and that's going to be taking off on runway pretty soon, so stay tuned. Okay, A320 Delta, I think, is on runway, about to begin rotation. Yep, that's it. Pull her up. There we go. He's rotated. And we have liftoff. Beautiful takeoff. Oh, he's coming. Can't wait to hear the roar.
No, he rotating the wrong way.
He's banking left. Gosh, I wish his quality was better. I'm able to see it clear. Wow.
Here he comes. He literally watched us still out of cannon. Look,
Alright, right there we have a 737. Gosh, I really hope this camera does not look this horrid.
for all you Gemini collectors, here is very sad going on runway.
And that was my brother acting like he has a British accent. Jeez, I really hope it doesn't look this terrible. See, it's because of the zoom. The camera doesn't look at all the size in real life. It looks it. Yeah, I really don't have a professional camera. Yeah.
Even the phone would have a hard time doing this.
Your phone wouldn't.
Even the phone would have a hard time doing this. Look how small that 737 900 and ER is compared to that 747 and 777.
Yeah, guys, I don't think you might want to watch any more of this video. I might.
Yeah, so he's not gonna have this video, so I'm gonna milk him. I say bye, guys. Grab niggas' tits. Grab females' tits.
There you have a A319 United. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm stopping the video. I will upload this video, but I'm stopping it right here because
don't upload that.
it doesn't look right.
Take your reputation
Bye, guys.
down.